Alright, so here it is, the PlayStation 5. I'm just going to get the base off of here. There we go. So what we need to do is we need to go where the PlayStation logo is, pull up and down. That is going to be here, so up and down. Came off very easily. So here is the replacement piece. Basically, I just kind of want to line it up. There we go. And slide it up. There we go. At the moment, I have a two-tone right here. But we're not going to end there. Alright, so this one I believe I do it back here. On the back here the same way. Let's kind of put it towards me. Up and down. There we go. Came off nicely. So we're going to kind of just get everything lined up and snap it up. So there we go. A cosmic red PlayStation 5. So let's get the stand back on here. All right. Now, I believe they have the blue. You could do this in blue, which was the Starlight blue, and then they have a pink. I don't know what the name of that is, and then I believe they have a purple and a black. All right, there we go. PlayStation 5 with the cosmic red plates on it. Looks pretty good. But that's going to do it for this video. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. If you like what you see, please subscribe. And as always, if you want to help out this channel, you can give me a thumbs up. You can share this video on your favorite social media, or you can actually join my Patreon, all of which is greatly appreciated. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.